So I'm gonna make those burger tacos again because they're so good. I loved them last time and they're so easy to make. I'm starting off by getting these tortillas on the comal so that they will start to get a little bit bubbly and toasty. And meantime, I've divided my beef up so that there's enough for each one. You want about the same amount you would use for a small burger patty. See that these are ready to flip because they got the little bubbles. That's what we're looking for. And I know, don't use your hands, but that's how I do it. You can use tongs, you can use a spatula. I use my hands. Okay, so while the bottom is toasting, we're gonna take these burger patties and we are gonna get these on the tortillas and I'm gonna spread it out thin. And if you're not comfortable doing this on the stove, you could always take them off and get this laid out on the side. But see, what you're doing is literally making a burger taco. And the cool thing is, while these are toasting on the bottom, the beef is already starting to cook. And as you can well imagine, we're gonna flip these later. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of my favorite taco seasoning. If you want it more burger-like, then you could use your favorite burger seasoning. But I love this stuff here. It's good. Just a quick chop through the lettuce. These tortillas are looking nice and toasty. We're gonna flip them. Notice the burger shrinks a little. That's good, because we need a little room for the other toppings. Yeah, it's that sizzle that we're looking for. So once your burger's ready, you're just gonna flip these onto your plate. Okay, and then the big question is, what do you put on here? Burger toppings or taco toppings? You can do both. You can do ketchup, mustard, pickles. I'm gonna go with the taco toppings. It's what I like best. So hit it with a little bit of lettuce, a little bit of pico de gallo, a little more if you like, and I have some shredded cheese. Let's turn off the stove so they're all just cooked to where we want them, just a touch. All right, and then finally, a little drizzle of cilantro, and I'm gonna serve some hot sauce on the side for those who want it really spicy, and there's your burger taco.